Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Eleftheria and today we're going to review another course. Again, it's from Udemy, again it's free, and again it's about Angular. The name of this course is Angular Tutorial for Beginners. And I'm in the Overview tab and let's go to the About This Course section. The first thing that you will see is learn the Angular framework step by step. And also my first question is, which version of Angular is this course about? Anyway, let's see by the numbers. It has 36 lectures, 2.5 hours of videos, and the skill level is beginner level. And yeah, keep that in mind, beginner level, because I'm going in a bit on this level. Okay, the language is English, and I wanted to mention that the instructor is not a native English speaker, and sometimes I think that this has some problems because although the instructor seems to be very experienced, I don't think that his English is so good. His accent sometimes it's very heavy, and maybe you will have a problem to understand him. Sometimes he talks a little bit fast, and I think that he can't really go through some explanations because he's not a native English speaker. So although I can understand that he's very knowledgeable, I can't see how he can explain every line of code. Okay, in the description you will find some informations and I guess that they are helpful. In the requirements you'll see that you need to know JavaScript, HTML and CSS. And you will also view that it's by Angular University and you have some info about the university as well as about the instructor. Let's continue with the course content, and here you will see that you have 6 sections and most of them are videos, and I like this kind of videos because they are short. They are like 3, 4, 5 or sometimes, but rarely, like 7 minutes. So the instruction of this course is quite good, is quite okay. Another problem that I had with this course is that actually it's not that a beginner's level. So you have to know some AngularJS. I think that this title, Beginners, is quite strong. And I also read in the comment section that a lot of people had the same problem. They thought that the course is for beginners, they participated, and then they understand that it's quite a more advanced course. The good thing is that if you're looking for something in between, like a junior or advanced, then I would suggest you to take this course. If you are a total beginner, please don't take it. Alright, let's continue with the Q&A, and here you will see that there are some questions, but there is not an answer usually. And now let's go through the announcement, and here you will also see that the last announcement was like 7 days ago. Now another thing I would like to mention is that I gave 2.5 stars in this course. Why did that? Well, the first thing is that I didn't know in which version was that course about. I didn't know if it was for AngularJS, which was what I was interested in, or if it was like 4 or 5 or 6 version, okay? I didn't know about that. Secondly, it says it's for beginners. It's not for beginners. And as I said, a lot of people in the comment section had the same problem. The third thing is that the instructor was like he was reading through things, and this was actually quite weird because I could see his face, I could hear his eyes, but I think he was going like left and right with his eyes, like he was trying to read something, and I didn't like that. So as I said in the beginning of this video, yes, he was knowledgeable, but I don't think that he is perfect as a teacher. Maybe he's perfect as a developer, but I don't think that he can connect with you on a deeper level in order to make you to understand something that it's not simple, because again it's not a beginner's course, so you have to understand some things that are a little bit more difficult. Anyway, except of this, yeah, I did like the course. I think it's very informative. You will learn a lot of things, and if you are quite more advanced, then yes, you should take it. I mean, it's totally free. It's 2.5 hours. You have one article, and in the end, you'll also get a certificate of completion. Sorry. Okay, that's it for this course. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will also leave in the description box the link of this course as well as some other reviews on Angular. Bye!